Okay, so today we're going to keep talking about completing the square. Remember, your steps were to first take 1/2 times b, then you take whatever you got for step 1 squared, and that is c. Then, if we plug c back into what we had originally, our equation is x squared plus bx plus our 1/2 b squared, and that factors to x plus 1/2 b squared. Okay, let's try an example really quick. If I have x squared plus 4x plus c, I want to take 1/2 times 4, which is 2. 2 squared is 4. Then my new equation would be x squared plus 4x plus 4, which would factor to x plus 2 squared. Okay, so the new thing we're going to start talking about today is solving for x by completing the square. So for an example, let's just take what we got for a factor of the last equation, so x plus 2 squared, and set it equal to 0 and try to solve this. So in order to get rid of the squared, we have to take the square root of both sides, which gives us x plus 2 equals 0. So if we subtract 2 to the other side, x equals negative 2. Let's try another one with all the steps. So we have x squared plus 6x plus c. So first we have to find c. 1/2 times 6 is 3. 3 squared will give us 9. Then if we plug it back in, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And that would factor to x plus 3 squared. So then we set x plus 3 squared equal to 0. If we take the square root of both sides, we end up with x plus 3 equals 0. We subtract 3 to the other side, and x equals negative 3. So sometimes you'll get something that's not equal to 0. So for example, they could give you something like x squared minus 6x plus 12 equals 19. So in this case, we're just going to move the 12 over to the other side so that we can make this a perfect square. So we have x squared minus 6x plus c equals 19 minus 12 gives you 7, and then you add c to the other side as well. From here we have to solve for c, so 1/2 times negative 6 gives us negative 3. Negative 3 squared gives us 9. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. Okay, so that factors to x minus 3 squared equals 16. So we're going to take the square root of it, but we can do negative 4 times negative 4 equals 16, or positive 4 times positive 4 equals 16. So we have to have plus or minus 4. So that then becomes two separate things. We have x minus 3 equals 4, and x minus 3 equals negative 4. So if we add the 3 to the other side, we should get x equals 7 or x equals negative 1.